Ever scrolled through social media and seen someone talking about their investments and wondered if it's actually something regular folks can do? Or maybe you've heard of apps like Raiz and thought, could I actually make money with that? Well, you're not alone in asking those questions. It feels like the world of finance can be this exclusive club, but the truth is, things are changing, and apps like Raiz are part of that shift. Raiz, for those who might not know, is a micro-investing platform. Think of it as an easy way to start investing small amounts of money, often the spare change from your everyday purchases. It works by rounding up your transactions to the nearest dollar and investing that small difference into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now, the big question remains, can you actually make money with it? Let's be real, the idea of turning spare change into a fortune sounds pretty appealing, right? And in some ways, it's true. Over the long term, the stock market has historically shown a trend of growth. By investing in ETFs, which are essentially baskets of different stocks and assets, you are participating in that potential growth. So, yes, in theory, and often in practice, the money you invest through Raiz can grow over time. However, it's crucial to manage expectations. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The returns you see with Raiz, especially with small, consistent contributions, are likely to be modest, particularly in the short term. The beauty of Raiz lies in its accessibility and the power of compounding over time. That small change you invest today might not seem like much, but over years, with consistent contributions and market growth, it can add up to a significant amount. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't expect a huge tree to sprout overnight. It takes time, consistent watering, and the right environment. Similarly, your Raiz investments need time in the market to potentially grow. Market fluctuations are also a reality. There will be periods where your investment value might go down. This is a normal part of the investment cycle, and it's important not to panic and sell during these dips. Historically, markets tend to recover over time. Now, are people actually making money with Raiz? The answer is a nuanced yes. Many users have seen their investment balances grow over time. The key factors here are consistency and a long-term perspective. Someone who consistently invests their spare change over several years is far more likely to see a meaningful return than someone who invests sporadically or pulls their money out after a short period. It's also important to consider your individual financial goals. If you're looking for rapid, high returns, Raiz probably isn't the platform for you. However, if your goal is to gradually build wealth over time with small, manageable contributions, then Raiz can be a valuable tool. It's a fantastic way to get started with investing, learn about the market, and develop a habit of saving and investing without feeling a significant financial burden. Ultimately, making money with Raiz isn't about hitting some jackpot. It's about the slow and steady accumulation of wealth through consistent, small investments and the power of compounding. It's about making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of how much spare change they have. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.